Alright everyone, this is Grail Punt number 609, the Something is Killing the Children lot. Let's get a timestamp. So the time here in WA is 8:15 on the 19th of December. Current time is 8:15 on Saturday the 19th of December. Grab our list, which I grabbed earlier. And we've got Dak at number 1 down to spot 70, which is Jason. And we've got Dak at number 1 down to Jason at 70. Roll that dice. 6, 10, 15. Alright, let's get this started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, double check that, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15, 2 more to go, 14, and good luck everyone. Winner, hit me up when you've seen this. Let's go. Right. Not sure if that froze for a second, but let's look who the winner is. And we've got Ben with spot number 62. Congrats, mate. That is a very nice win. Not for everyone else, apologies. But yeah, that's, I think, second one in a row possibly that Ben has taken out from one of my punts. Oops. Stupid computer. Oh, Neville's just paid. Thanks, mate. And where did that just go? There it is. 8:18. Time is 8:18 on Saturday, 19th December. Alright, thanks guys.